Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and then like the video as well. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing, setup and review of a ZMX Cherry Blossom blue switch. And this is a 61 key mechanical keyboard. So it's a hot swappable. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac. And I believe also it'll work with the smartphones, but I'll test that out later. It's 60% compact. It uses Bluetooth 5.0. And it has the red, green, blue backlighting on the keyboard. And you can see the bag there. It has the sample switches. And it comes with the keycap and the switch puller as well. And on the separate bag, you have the USB, the Type-C cable, and then also the extra keycap replacement. So it can be used as a wired keyboard and also wireless. So let's take it out of the box and then show a 360 view of the keyboard itself to see how it looks like. Okay, and it does have the user manual as well. So we'll go ahead and go through that and then test it out. Okay, so here we have the keyboard already unwrapped. And you can see here the detail throughout the keyboard. Very nice design. And here we have the front view of the keyboard. And here is the left side of the keyboard. And here you have the right side of the keyboard. And here is the back of the keyboard. And here you can see the switch that turns on the lights on the keyboard. And over here you have the USB Type-C connection. One thing to be aware of is it does not have, I guess, the things that lift up and stand the keyboard. It just lays flat, but it does have that inclination. And here's the keyboard when it's lit up, and you can see that button there that blinks. It's the Q. And there are 10 settings that you can go through each one. There's one of the settings there. And there's another one there. And I'm just going to go through them so you can see. Okay, and these are the two buttons that you press in order to go through each setting. And you just basically toggle through each one. So you could play around with the colors. It's really nice and really cool features on it. So let's see how it is when you test it out with, I'm going to test it out with a Chromebook, a laptop, and also a PC. And here is a side comparison with a regular keyboard. So you can see the difference as stated before. This is a compact, like 60% of a regular keyboard, smaller. but the keys are still the same size. Okay, so it did pair easily with the Windows 8 Microsoft Surface tablet. Okay, so here we have it paired with an HP Chromebook, and we had no problems. And the Bluetooth 3.0 and 5.0 both work. Okay, so here I was able even to pair it with a Galaxy S21, and you see how it's an Android device, and it works without any problem. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the box. As you can see here, there are the switches, and they do have some O-rings as well, and then some extra keycaps. And there you have the switch puller, and then also the keycap puller as well, along with the cable. Like I mentioned before, you can use the keyboard as wired USB cable, and there it is there. Okay, so I wasn't able to get a hold of a Windows 10 PC that had Bluetooth, so I couldn't test it out on a Windows 10 PC, but it does work as long as you have, like I said, Bluetooth 3.0 to Bluetooth 5.0. And thank you very much for checking out the video. Hopefully this helps you understand everything that comes with the keyboard and the functions that it has. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, I really appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.